In front of me is OnePlus Nord 5, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. Begin by launching Devices Settings and scrolling down to Hit Sounds and Vibration. So must click. Now hit Vibrate at the top to mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations. You can also hit Ring on the left and then access this switcher next to Vibrate on Ring to enable or disable haptic feedback. Then choose Vibration Intensity and adjust intensity of haptic feedback for incoming calls and alarms, first slider, and then messages and notifications, second one. To discard your changes, hit Cancel at the top left corner. To save them, click on your screen. Then scroll. Click on Ringtone. Choose Vibration at the top and apply the best option for your incoming calls. No vibration. One of those patterns, like heartbeat, or synchronize them with ringtone. It only works with system ones. Go back. Scroll all the way down and hit Haptics to use this switcher next to System Haptics. This way you can switch them on or off. If you decided to enable haptic feedback for touches, swipes and more, you can adjust intensity thanks to this slider. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!